Hello everyone, try to make the different types of the homes. Let's begin with the first one. Here we are going to build a house. For this one you just have to make two slanting lines, and after that you just have to make the two vertical lines. Then you just have to build the windows, chimney and the door for this house. In the background we are adding some of the fences, and the garden is also added. Fill it with some bright colors. Let's try to make another type of the hut. For this one you just have to make a triangular shape. After that you just have to convert it into a rectangular one as shown on your screen. Then you just have to build a window that's of square shape. We are going to build the two windows here. Then the circular window is also made. Let's move further and try to make a windmill house. For this one you just have to make a triangle, then a rectangle. Inside it you just have to make the two square shapes, and then it's time to make the propellers of this windmill. That's the easiest of all. First a line is to be made in the cross direction, and then you just have to build it around. After that in the background we are adding some of the trees as shown here. This activity is again very simple. Let's go further and try to make this carrot. If we talk about the difficulty level of this type of the painting, then this is the easiest of the all. You just have to make some of the sleeping lines over which you just have to make a bulge in, and then the leaves are to be made. You can see window and the door is also added. This looks so cute and so easy. Let's now move further towards another activity. Here we are going to show you how we can make this house. This one for this one you just have to make a triangle, then a rectangle. After that from both the ends again two rectangles, and then a round shaped door is also made, and the window is also made. One is a round, another is a square one. You can just pause the video and follow the each step properly. Let's now move further with another project. First we are making this curvier line at the bottom of this page, over which we are placing these bulging type of the two spherical things like shown here. Then you just have to make the windows and the rest of the features of that of the carrot like the leafy portion. This is very simple and easy. From the left side we are placing a bunny because it's the house of the bunny, so it's so cute. Give the tint around cheeks and the ears area. It looks so good. Don't forget to make the sun. Let's move further and try to make the another type of the house. For this one you just have to make the three sleeping lines. The middle one is to be of the longer length. After that you just have to join it from both the ends and convert it into the square portion, and the rectangle one chimney is also made, and don't forget to make a door. This is the simplest of all. Let's now move further with our another activity. Here we are going to show you to make a house that's inspired from the mushroom shape. Now let's try to make the door and some of the windows. This is very cool and very easy, and you can definitely give this one a try. It looks a unique house and it's like a dreamy house. This looks so good. A cartoon character house are almost similar to this type of the thing. Fill it with some of the bright colors. In the background we are adding some of the leaves, some of the cactus, so that it will look like this house is in the jungle. Let's move further and try to make the another type of the house. First you just have to make a bulging sleeping line, over which you just have to place some lines that are similar to the alphabet M, and you just have to make the two horizontal lines as shown here. Then you just have to make the windows, and you just have to make the doors. You just have to make some of the greenery in the background like the leaves, some of the trees and bushes. Moreover you just have to add the sun in the background and the clouds as well. Then fill it with some of the bright colors. Let's now move further with another activity. First you just have to make these two slanting lines as apparent here, then below which again the same two slanting lines. Join them together by making some of the vertical lines. Then you just have to make a triangle and window and the door. Thank you for watching.